A multiple dose vial has been mixed and labeled 100,000 units in 1.0 cm cubed, or cc's. How many cubic centimeters are needed to give 900,000 units? And round your answer to the 10th place. So let's go ahead and highlight the important information in this question. We've got 100,000 units in 1 cc, and we need to give 900,000 units. With dimensional analysis or unit conversion problems like these, it's always a good idea to write down any conversions that are given that you might need. And here we have, highlighted in yellow, we have the one conversion that we need. We know that 100,000 units are going to be delivered in 1.0. I'm just going to write cc's here. And that is kind of an equivalency. If we give 1 cc, we're administering 100,000 units. In order to get 100,000 units, we need to administer 1 cc of medication. So that's those things are equal to each other, we can say. Another important thing in this type of dosage problem, if we have a doctor's order or an amount to give, which we do here, 900,000 units, that's always a good place to start. And so we'll start with that at the far left of our conversion problem. 900,000 units is what the doctor ordered. And since we're going to be working with fractions here, we're going to put that over 1 just to make it look like a fraction. And we're going to multiply by another fraction. And this second fraction is going to represent the conversion of units to cc's. It's important which we put in the numerator and which in the denominator. In dimensional analysis, we want to be able to diagonally cancel our similar dimensions. So we want units to be in the denominator here because they're in the numerator on the left. And if we have units in the bottom, we need cc's in the top here. We want to plug in next our values. 1.0 cc's is equivalent to 100,000 units. And now we can go ahead and cancel those, literally cancel units, and we're left with cc's as our units, as our measurement here. We can just do the multiplication now. 900,000 times 1 is going to give us 900,000 in our numerator. 1 times 100,000 is going to give us 100,000 in our denominator. And pretty easy math here. 900,000 over 100,000 is just 9. We're left with cc's here as our unit, so 9 cc's. So that is our answer. In order to give 900,000 units of medication, if there are 100,000 in every cubic centimeter, we need to give 9 cubic centimeters. I hope this is helpful.